something above it. So the pen is moving above my head. My head is here, above my head. Okay? Some people like to put their feet on the table. That's considered bad manners. So never put it. Okay? So hello guys, welcome. And today we will learn about prepositions. So what is a preposition? A preposition is a word or a group of words used before a noun, pronoun or a noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location or to introduce an object. Now this is a long-winded definition, but basically a preposition is just a word that is used before a noun. So what is a noun? A noun is a name, a place or a thing. A pronoun is he, she, they, it. Or a noun phrase. A noun phrase is a cat, a dog, the dog, something along those lines. To show direction. Direction, north, south, east, west. In the context of time, it could be in morning, evening, dusk, or in terms of months, from January to December, along those lines. Place, and place could be any place. A location, location could be where, like for example, I'm located at this place. I'm located at 16th Avenue, or I'm located at Kandas and Key, something along those lines. So we are going to look at prepositions of time. Prepositions of time here is in. There are three prepositions of time: in, at, and on. So let's look at the first one. In. He reads in the evening means that he opens his book in the evening or he starts to read in the evening. This could be morning, this could be night. So what is evening showing? Evening is a time of the day. Okay? I eat my lunch at noon. Again, it's a time of the day. A day comprises of three times basically: morning, evening, and night. Okay? And noon is 12 in the afternoon. Okay? Thirdly is on. I don't work on Sundays. Showcases day of a week. So I don't work on Sundays. Okay? So now let's move to prepositions of place. So the first one is in. They will meet in the boardroom. In means inside, in a place. Okay? So inside this box there is another box. So in. Okay? She was waiting at the corner. At the corner means if this is the corner, then this at the corner. Okay? Or another example would be you are waiting at a shop. Okay? I left my phone on the bed. So basically, if something is put over something, then it is on it. So let's say you have put something on it over the table. So basically, what will you write? I have put something on the table. Okay? The bird flew over the house. Over the house means something above it. So the pen is moving above my head. My head is here, above my head. Okay? Basements are made below ground. Below means lower, under. Okay? Under a level. So let's say your feet are under your table. When you sit, your feet are under the table, not over the table. Okay? Meaning below the table, but on the ground. Okay? Some people like to put their feet on the table. That's considered bad manners. So never put it. Okay? So next we will discuss prepositions of place, location, and spatial relationships. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button